Hello viewers, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Obunkata. In case you are new here, thanks for visiting this channel. Please don't just leave after watching this video. Help me subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button. In case I drop video next time, you get notification on the video. Watch it so that you get enlightened on many things that you don't know about. So in this video today, I am going to be teaching you a special thing. As many as they ask me that, Obonkata, please, can you quickly show us a video or teach us with a video how people normally what edit video? I mean, funny videos with funny sounds. You understand? And this is quite easy. It's not difficult. Just that what somebody is not aware of or things you don't know is always ahead of you. You understand? So in this video, I am going to be teaching you how to add funny sounds to your video. I mean comedy sounds to your video. You understand? That will make your video to be more interesting to people. That will make your video to be catchy and people will love to watch it. So all I advise you to do is stay tuned, stay patiently, watch this video from the beginning down to the end of it. And at the end of the video, you will be able to add funny sound. My dear, it is not hard. Very easy to do. So let's dive into the video tutorial now.
Wow, as you can see guys, we are in my phone interface. To quickly do this now, we are quickly going to use a particular website where you can find all the comedy funny sounds you know in Nigeria here. That's the only site you can do this. So for the course of this tutorial, I am going to use my own Chrome browser. It depends on the kind of browser that you are using, but as for me, I am going to use Chrome to do this. So I'll quickly click on my Chrome. Then you search for funny Nigeria comedy effects effects effect mp3 download. Then you hit on the search. When you hit on the search, something like this will pop up. Then go up, you scroll down. The first you are going to see is a Pinterest. Skip it, continue to go down, scroll down. Good. Till you get to this particular 6 Niger. When you see 6 Niger, you click on it, click on the 6 Niger. That's the website where you are going to get all the funny sounds to use for your for your videos. So you're not going to stop here. You continue to go down, scroll down, please. Scroll down. So you scroll down. Here they are. You can see all the the all popular Nigeria comedy sound effect MP3 download. The first one there you can see photo sound effect. Let's play it and see. Hope you can hear it. Okay, let's play the second one, photo sound effect. Let's play the third one, dun dun. Let's play this one that I normally use. 70 years old man does it. Let's play 70 years old man. Let's play you think say you they wise sound. You think say they wise. Hope you can see you be mumu man. Hope you can see it. You be mumu. In fact, I mean all the comedy funny sounds that you know in Nigeria here, you find it in this website. So I'm doing this video just to help you. This is something that other people will take some money to teach you, but I am doing it for free. Please, the only favor you can do for me, guys, is to, for God's sake, help me hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support me. Thank you for doing so. So quickly, pay attention because there's how to download this particular sounds so that you not make any mistake. The first one just says download MP3 songs. The second one says download photo sound effect MP3. Please do not click on any of this because if you do, it will redirect you to their website to watch their ads. You will waste your data to watch ads. So if you know you want to download any of this sound, the quicker way to download it is you quickly click on this quickly click on this three dot here. Hope you can see it, that three dot there. You click on it. When you click on it, that is, I want to download the phone to sound now. Exactly. You click on it to show you download. You download. You click download. Good, it has been downloaded automatically to my phone now. Hope you are getting it. Okay, let's download another one. Let us download this 70 years old man. You can see 70 years old man. So what you are going to click is this three dots. Hope you are getting it. You tap on it. Tap on it. You tap on download. It's downloading. Good. File downloaded. It has been downloaded to our phone. Good. Let us quickly go to our Capcut. Let me show you how to add it to your video. The video you have made that you want to add your funny sound. That funny video that you made that you want to add funny sound to. So let me show you how to use this best Capcut editing app. This is best editing app called Capcut. Let me show you how to use it to add your funny sounds. Make sure that you on your data before you go to Capcut, because Capcut uses data. So we're in Capcut now. The first thing you do, you click on the new projects. Which video should I ever use? Okay, let's use this video. Though I just uploaded a new video yesterday, that was around 12 a.m. A video that will teach you how to quickly turn a particular button on in your YouTube, so that you gain view of YouTube will start to recommend your videos. So let's use this video now. This is the video we are going to use. Good. So now you move your cursor to the particular place where you want to add that funny sound. Take for instance, I want to add the funny sound here. Hope you can see. Good. Now you go to sound. You click on this edit. No, sorry. You go to audio, please. Go to audio. You go to sound. You go to sound. Then what you do now is that you now hit this second box. This second box, you hit it. When you tap on it, you tap on device, the second one, device. You tap on it. When you tap on it, then you look for the sound that we just downloaded. Here they are. Here they are. This is the photo sound. This is the photo sound. Let's add the photo first. To add the photo, you click on the plus sign. That plus sign is where you used to add it. Good. So let's play it and see now. Hope you can hear, guys. Can you hear the photo? Hope you can hear the photo. Good. So let's add another one. Then what you do is that just move this cursor to anywhere you want to add that particular effect. Okay, let me add the second one here. You also go back, go to sound again. Sound. It's not difficult. All these are hard. All these editing something, they are not difficult. Very easy. That if you pay attention to this video, you click on this box again. Click on device. Then which sound? Let us add the 70 years old man. You click on the plus sign to add it. Good. Let's play it. And subscribe to this 70 years old man. In this video, hope you can see. Wow. So these are those people normally do this editing that will think that it's something that is so difficult. You don't need any, should I say, professional editor to do all this. You can do this at the comfort of your home by yourself. Please, this is how to do it. After you are done editing it bit by bit, adding the sound bit by bit, you now click on what? Export at the top here. But please, before you click at export, always put your video at 1080p, not 720p, 1080p. You just drag this one to this place. Yes, so that when you upload it, your video will be sharp, the quality will be okay. Hope you are getting it. Then you now tap on export. You now tap on export, your video will be saved to your phone. So that's just all. That's how to do it. So I beg you, if you know you find any value in this video, help me subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support me. subscribe to it. Why is that? In case any day I upload a nice video like this, you will be able to get notification in your phone so that you watch and learn, get enlightened. So please don't hesitate to help me subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless you guys.